Alright, hey guys, I got my replacement light in. Promised you, since I'm going to do that, I might as well tape out and take off the grill and put in the lights. So I'm going to get started. Open up your hood. Alright, of course, up there is where you stand it up. So now I'm going to take off these 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think in my other video I explained I don't have a pry tool and I don't really like to damage these, so I use 2 screwdrivers. I'll just kind of show you how I do that. So I just go like this and I come up, and usually the middle comes off separately, and then I'll just have to get a screwdriver under there and pull it up. All right, and that's basically what I do for all 6. Okay, now that I got all 6 off, basically all you need to do is pull on the grill and the top comes off. And then, let me see if I can get a good image inside. You see right down there, there's those clips, silver ones. There's about 6 of them down there too. And what you have to do is, you have to get underneath, or maybe in here even, and just pull. You can hear that. See, it's coming off. Okay, so next, there are 3 10mm bolts. 1 on the outside, 2 on the inside. Just have to remove those and the whole light comes out. For this side, to reinstall it, I had to take out this bolt right here with the green on top. It's for the air box, because I like to run my wires under the air box. It's just cleaner that way. But after that, I just reverse the steps, plug it back into those clips, put the mounting clips back on, and that's about it. It's pretty easy. The other one I showed you where all the wiring was, so you can go back to that if you want to see how I routed it to the fuse box. I'm not going to show you all that on this one. Like and subscribe.